Have you guys ever had a spray can with a clogged tip? So you take it off, or you throw it away, or you give up. Well, don't throw it away. Take the lid off, and it could be this lid or another lid or a small cup. You can either use lacquer thinner or MEK, some methyl ethyl ketone, and I do recommend using nitrile gloves so you can throw them away. After you let it soak in there a little bit, pull it out. Now that it's cleared all the garbage on inside the tip, and now that it's been soaking, it should be good to go. Now if it doesn't work the first time, try again and gently clean with a small wire brush. Now that you've gently cleaned it with a wire brush, you got most of the garbage out, should be good to go. Nice. Now, if your spray tip is severely clogged despite soaking it in thinner and it's still clogged, what you can do is take a 1/16 inch drill bit and gently dig all this out. And then you'll see chunks come out. So I took a 1/16 inch drill bit, I got all the garbage out. Then you can soak it in thinner again, and if that still doesn't work, it's time to replace it or throw it away. You can also save a few spray tips from your old cans, or you can buy some on Amazon. Make sure to match the same style that you had before. From generic to high output spray tips because it covers better and less chances of being clogged. I'm a huge fan of the 5-in-1 spray pattern from these Rustoleum rattle cans. Let me know in the comments what your favorite style spray can is.